Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to G Bear's Off-Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert. And here we are on another fine day. The sun will be going down pretty soon. So, did I make you dizzy when I moved that fast? So, anyway, as I said, the dogs will be back to get their food. They're all back, so they're all waiting for that time, which is about a half an hour from now, and I figured I'll get my video done real quick. So let's get this done. It won't be a very long video today because I went to check my mail today and all I had was bills, but no Bob's, no Joe's, no Susan's, just bills. Anyway, hey, look, there's a little clean spot right here. And my anvil's over here. And you remember this little item that I was talking about yesterday? I had to make the little handle for here. And this black part, which is Bakelite, on the other handle broke. So I had to make one out of aluminum. So there it is. It wasn't that hard to make. But the hardest part, I guess, was drilling a square hole through the center here to go on the square fit shaft that's down in there. Drilling square holes is not real easy. Yeah, especially if you don't have a square drill. Yeah, I got a lot of round drills. Look at that. Loads of round drills. And I'm going to have to be getting myself a phone replacement. Yeah, again, I don't know what happened, but I was sitting at the table yesterday after posting video, and then all of a sudden I looked at the phone and it wasn't sitting level, so I thought something was under it, and I lifted it up to see what was under it, and there was nothing under it. And then I looked at it and I took my case off, and on the back side of the phone the cover was popped off of one side, and right by the camera too. And I said, well, that's not right. So I grabbed a hold of the cover to try to snap it back into place, and it cracked like a piece of glass in 100 different directions. So the only thing holding it together right now is my case, my phone case. But I've got insurance on my phone, so problem is that there's always a deductible. And I guess what I'm going to do first is get online with the offer they just offered me for a brand new S24, I think it was, S24 Plus. And this is only an S21 Plus. So if I can get an S24 Plus for less than the deductible, then guess which way I'm going. All right, one guess. Just one guess. Nope, that wasn't it. All right, so I cleaned up over here, and I took the one bit that was here sticking out that could grab my arm, as I was informed. You know, once I get a bit set and I'm going to be doing something with it, as long as I'm not working on the machine, it stays right there, because there's nothing I would reach for behind it, because everything that I would reach for that's behind it is only stuff that I would use while I'm working on it. So you know, I'm working on it. I know the bits are in there, so no problem there. I did reverse my chuck around, because when it was in the tight position, this handle was on this side, and I didn't like that, so I reversed it around so it's on this side when it's in the tight position. Cleaned up all of the aluminum scrap. It's in the bucket. And wait a minute. Oh, I just kicked the bucket. Oh, are you going to miss me? All right, well, that's about it. I'm going to go get ready to feed the dogs. And I did a little laundry today, and The laundry is in the dryer, or on the clothesline, in the dryer, same thing. And I'm going to get that off and folded and put away. I got one more load of laundry to do tomorrow, but because I went to town today, I got a late start on laundry here. So, moving from there. Now, where did all those, oh, there they are. I was going to say all those dogs took off. All right, everybody. Thanks for joining me. This is G Bear signing off.